at the age of 23, I lost my hair. I had this buzz cut. I was at the library and my friend told me, "What's that landing pad behind your head?" I was like, I go to the mirror and I'm like, so from that age, I lost hair, my self-confidence, my self-esteem was just going down. I'm in my prime and I lost a lot of confidence. So I was like, I can get it back. Use some old wives' tale, like crushed up onions, onion juice, this and that, eggs. None of that worked. 2 years later, I tried finasteride, minoxidil. That helped a little bit, and I finally got my transplant in 2022. First one, yeah. I was texting my friend actually about it. He has some hair loss. I said, listen, forget whatever you saw and everything. I know the spot. You come here. And why? Because of the professional treatment, the fair pricing. They had us at the complimentary 2 hotel. It was a nice hotel, by the way, as well. Also, they'll drop you and pick you on the Mexican side. So just the overall service experience, it was stupendous. It was not what I expected. I was on Reddit. I do a lot of research myself outside of this, and multiple points mentioned to me, if you want to get it done in Tijuana, Cortez is the guy. So my brothers are scared. Okay, listen, I was just like you. I lost my hair at the age of 23, and the last thing I wanted to do was a hair transplant, and it took me until 2022. 8 years later, I got my first transplant. So if I had to go back in time, I would have done this a long time ago, because I tell you why right now, brothers, because from age 23 until I got my first transplant in 2022, during this process, the self-esteem loss that I had from that 8 years, you can't put money on that. I would not go out to approach girls. I don't want to go places because people would be judging me. And without getting the treatment sooner, my existing native hairline was going back and back. And by the time I'm getting my hair transplant, yeah, it does a great job, but it could have been a lot better if I did it back when I was 24, 25 years old. So why would you wait? That's my thing. Why would you wait? What are you really scared of? The price is very fair. Okay, location is fair. TJ is very fair. It's not cartel. It's not like that. So I'm actually upset at myself for not going back in time and getting it done. So, and don't listen to your mom, all the old wives' tale, tomato sauce, eggs and stuff. It doesn't do anything, okay? If you have genetic hair loss, nothing will help it but this. So don't be scared.